Get some on the inside as well. And now we wait for the oil. I'm going to show you a trick how to know if the oil is ready. Even though it's set on 360, I want to know if it's ready. So grab a spoon, a wooden spoon or whatever, something wooden, and put it inside. It's supposed to start bubbling. So this is ready. Here goes the first one. Oh yeah, baby. We're going to cook these boys until they're golden brown. Time to turn. Man, it smells so good right now. One thing I don't have is paper towels, so we're gonna eat some oil. It's okay. Oh yeah, baby. Kaboom. Next, the crappie. Man, she's looking beautiful. Don't mind me. Let me get some light. And our crappie is done as well. Man, so much meat on these things. Boom. I'm gonna finish the rest of these and then I'll be back. We're gonna try this bluegill and we're gonna try this